running outside here after so many times. I've tried it at least 5 times. Today on the 12th of July 2022, we also got inside Vesijärvenkatu 12 stickies A here in Lahti, Lahtis, Finland with 6 floors. But we still need to get to the staircase B and the Vesijärvenkatu building as well. For some strange reason they took away the handrails here. Otherwise it's still original here. It was built in 1963, 260 years old, and next year, 2023. It doesn't have any inspection marks, strange. There's an number, it's just 11365. 2 rats. These numbers are interesting. I believe the inspection mark must be in the machine room.
Yeah.
Oh, it was here, but somebody torn it away.
Yeah. Maintained by Kone.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I really liked the smell and the style here. And the sounds were great.
That's